Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G and today's video. Today I'm going to be creating a spring / Easter wreath. I'm going to be using this polystyrene wreath form that I used in a previous wreath. I used it in my feather wreath. I will link that at the end. So I've taken out the feathers because I've had a good few years out of it, and now I'm going to reuse the form. So I have this ribbon and it's great for spring and summer actually, and Easter, that kind of season. It's not wired or anything. It's trendy tartan. I don't know what that says. Eleganza cut edge contemporary ribbon from Oak Tree UK. www.oaktreeuk.com. So I'm going to wrap this polystyrene wreath form with this. Oops, let's put some hot glue in. That helps, doesn't it, crafters? I'm going to put some hot glue on the back of this wreath form, and I'm going to submerge the ribbon in, but obviously taking care not to burn myself. So this is where the spatulas come in handy. Okay, I'm going to go around my wreath form, and I'm going to go quite tight, because obviously this wreath form has been used before, but I also want to see the blue and the yellow, so don't want to cover that too much, so I want to see the blue and yellow from the tartan pattern. Now I'm not going to cover this entire wreath form. I am going to leave a small part open because I want to do a cluster of flowers in that section, and there's no point wasting the ribbon. Okay, I'm going to stop there. So more hot glue to secure this ribbon in place. Now I'm going to be using different florals from my stash. I'm going to adhere them onto the wreath form using leaves from my stash. I keep all my leftover leaves like this. I keep all these leaves because they always come in handy for when I do wreaths and I want to use them for filler. So I'm going to use this type, I think. And obviously I can put in some different colours as well. I'm going to put a mixture of foliage on this wreath, crafters, and I want it to be kind of spring colours, so pinks, yellows, blues, whites, that type of hue. So I'm just going through my stash of artificial flowers. So these are my faux tulips, which I'm going to use some of those. You can get these cheaply on eBay and in your craft stores if you're lucky enough to have some decent craft stores in your area. moving leaves out of the way and popping in the, what should I say, petals. Moving petals out of the way, and I'm just putting in any leaves that I want to put in. And it just breaks up all the colour, because obviously there's a lot of colour there, but not as much greenery. Lifting and placing. Oops. You didn't glue down, did you? See, there's a lot of white showing, so I'll fill that in with leaves. I think I'm quite happy with that, crafters, and in fact this could probably go from spring to summer. I need a few more of the ferns, I think, so I'm just cutting them down, obviously because they are longer. Okay. Just wondering if I want to add some of these pansies in. The pansies are a flower that goes from spring into summer, and if it's warm enough they even flower in the autumn and winter. So I was just wondering if I wanted to put any in. I'm not sure I do, crafters. No, I don't think I do. What I do want to add though is a butterfly, and these are butterflies that are in my stash, so I'm going to go underneath the ribbon and poke it straight into the styrofoam. Oops. One on that side, and I think we'll have a blue one coming out of this centerpiece here. Again, just finding the polystyrene, and oops, without breaking it. I just broke that one. Okay, let's try that one again. I want more than 2 butterflies. I think I do. And there we go. There we go, crafters. There'll be some pictures at the end, but I'm happy with the way that turned out. It's very flouncy and very spring and summer. So maybe even be able to keep this on my door from spring and into summer. I could even add a banner, which I might do for spring. Or I could add a rabbit somewhere. Or some egg picks. If I alter it up for Easter, I will bring it on. I'll share some photos on my community tab. So thank you very much for joining me, crafters. And you'll see me soon with more Easter and spring craft. Take care now. Bye bye.